Hi Divas, I'm back again and I am completely out of my comfort zone. I'm looking quite colorful. So today's video has been inspired by An Knook. I hope I'm saying the name correctly. If not, I'm very sorry. But she's a YouTuber and she does makeup videos and she does very colorful, very detailed makeup videos. I've always been on the neutral side and I started this channel so that I can experiment more with colors. So last week I was in Berlin and I got myself the NYX Ultimate Edit palette, and I also got myself the Won't Stop foundation. Unfortunately, here in Switzerland we don't have the dark shades, and I was very impressed when I went to the Berlin Mall and I found so many shades for dark-skinned people like me. I was very excited. I got two palettes from the NYX. I got the Brights and the Phoenix palette. And so this is the look that I've done for you guys using the Brights palette. So if you are interested in this look, stay tuned. So we're gonna prime my eyes using, as usual, the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. I'm going to be setting my eyeshadow primer with the Black Opal Loose Powder in the shade Deep. So today I'm going to use a Drugstore palette. There we have it, and it's going to be the NYX Ultimate Edit palette. It's quite colorful. Oh, it's quite pigmented. Go easy on it to begin with, and just apply it above your brow bone. So when working with color, just be careful, picking a little bit more and just using wiping motion and keeping it above the brow, above the crease area. I'm going to go into the next shade, which is going to be this shade right here. And I'm just going to concentrate this on the outer V and into the crease. I'm gonna have to build this a bit, so I'm going into that time, concentrating it more on the outer V and then just blending it in the crease. And then I'm going to take the first brush that I used earlier and I'm just going to try and blend everything in, just the outer side, because as I always say, you don't want to go in with a darker shade when blending. I'm going to create a half cut crease using the LA Pro Girl concealer in the shade Fawn. So using a precise brush, I'm just going to map out my new crease above my normal crease, and then I'm going to cover the rest of the lid space with concealer. And I think I've gone a little bit too far. This is no longer a half cut crease. I've gone a little bit too far. The brush that I used earlier on and just try to blend everything so that we don't lose this smokiness that was already, this gradient or this transition of colors that had already been formed. I'm gonna take that one there and just blend And before that completely dries, we're going to go in with the orange. That's the shade we're going in with. I'll have to wet my brush. I'm going to use the color that I used as my transition shade. I'm going to place it in between. Going to take the brush that I used earlier and try to blend it all in to the crease shade. Just apply a little bit more on the brush. So when I was in Berlin, I also happened to pick the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in the shade Deep Cool, and I also picked NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer. It's in the shade CW08. So this, I'm going to try on this foundation and then I'll give you my thoughts on it. And if you are here just for the eye look, ta-da, we are done with the eyes. Yeah, that's it. So let's do the foundation. I'm going to apply the Laura Mercier translucent powder on my nose because I have quite a shiny nose after applying foundation. Ooh, that came out quite a lot. Ooh. Wow. I think I have to work very fast. It's drying up so fast. Whoa. So using a wet beauty blender, I'm just gonna press it all in. Okay, let me do the rest of my face and I'll come back with to do the concealer, and then we're going to see how it looks completely. So this is the foundation. I've already applied the Pro Long Concealer in the shade NC50. And now just to highlight, I'm going to just use a lighter shade. I hope it's going to be lighter. I'm going to use the HD foundation. Oh yes. Okay. Okay, then I'm going to do the same on this side. I'm going to set all that with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Then we're going to do the same on the other side. Now we're going to do the under eye and then we'll be done. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the complete look. Been watching my videos, or if this is your first video that you're watching from me, you will realize that this is the most colorful video I have at the moment on my channel, and I've never done anything so colorful. I'm always doing so neutral looks and everything of that sort, but ever since I stumbled upon An Knook's videos, I kind of feel like I could try this. I could actually try this. And so when I saw the NYX Ultimate Edit palette, I felt like, okay, so I have something colorful, I'm going to try it. I have not done anything so colorful before. So that's why I was very happy to have the NYX Ultimate Edit palette. Through this palette, I can try all these colorful looks and see if it's something for me. And NYX Ultimate Edit palette costs around $6 or €5.90. So before you go out and spend a lot of money, if you're a person who always wears neutral colors, I would say start small, take the baby steps just like I did, and experiment with the colors before you go out and spend money on something big that maybe you might not use or just use it once. Okay? So I'm happy with the outcome. My final review on the Brights palette. The shades are quite pigmented and you have just a little bit of fallout. And if you're going to use the shades, I'm going to advise you to first don't take a lot of the shade. Just go on lightly and continue building it up. As you can see, I am dark skinned, but you can still see the shade on me. My final review on the foundation, well, it's very matte, it dries up very fast, so you have to really work fast when using the foundation. Otherwise, until now, I'm happy with it. I will shoot more videos and try to use the foundation, then after maybe a week or so, I can tell you what I really think about it. But the first impression, so far, so good. So if you intend to buy, can't stop, won't stop, if you're on a budget, go ahead. It's 15 euros, I think around 15.50, or I think it was, yeah, I think maximum 15 euros. And yeah, it's affordable, it's drugstore, it caters for all our shades, the dark-skinned girl out there. If you're in Switzerland, I don't know where you can get it from. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you like the video, of course, like and share it with your friends. I'll see you in the next one.